Melanated, elevated. We out here, family. Yeah.
We out here in nature, baby.
Out here in nature.
What's good? Energy.
Energy.
Yeah.
Exclusive footage. One of the nicest waterfalls here in Columbus, Ohio, man. It's beautiful. We out here about to get a little workout in, about to get some work. Got the kids out here.
We in the water though.
Yeah, man.
Yes, baby. Woo! Hold on. Look at me at the fall. We gotta get it in. This is where the source is. Alright, this is where all the energy is, all the great vibrations. This is the creator's ambassador. I was reading my book, man. Nature is where it's at. So we hope you guys enjoy. We got to get it in with Mother Gaia. This is what we do, man.
This is what we do, man.
When you elevate it, your mindset is elevated and you understand the importance of nature, period.
Yeah, we got to get out here, man. It's so beautiful. Look at this, man. Beautiful. Got the guns out in nature. You know we got to do it!
It changes your whole aura, man. We hope you guys enjoy this video, baby.
Let's get it. I don't think it was.
This part was not open like this.
Nah, they cut this open. Oh, they got some benches? Nah, this part was open. This part was open.
I mean,
oh, wait, nah, because it looked a little wider back there.
I swear this part was not open like this.
Yeah, we just exploring, trying to figure something out.
Come on, guys.
This place will look a little bit different than where they came last time.
The park is all the way over there, so.
Yeah, what's good? You gonna get it in with us, man?
Yep.
You ain't got no choice!
I know.
You ain't got no choice! Let's get it. Come on, Money. Yeah, what's up, babe? How you feeling?
I feel great. Like I said, this spiritual warfare is so real, man. It's been a little rough. Trying to just dig yourself out of a dark place, you know, when you being attacked. But nature is my happy place, you know.
Right.
Babe has truly taught me the importance of Mother Nature, and we treat her as such. I hug trees.
Yeah, you gotta hug them trees.
This is our oxygen. Tell us how you receive the oxygen from the tree, babe.
Yeah. It takes in all your carbon dioxide, turns it into oxygen. All your negative energy turns it into positive. You know, the trees, the roots to these trees are probably all the way, like, you know, these trees are commuting telepathically under the ground. You know what I'm saying? This is how they find water. You know, anything connected to Mother Gaia is going to produce that love frequency. Ain't that right, Monty?
It's like you cannot be depressed. You can't be depressed with Mother Nature. She's trying to act
Look. You know you love Mother Nature.
Yeah.
Oops. Yeah. That's how we do, man. So we got to find a nice little area for us to get a little workout in, and what we do, we about to put in some work, you know. I like 5-minute little burnouts. You know what I'm saying? I like to get it in like that. So, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy. We out here with the fam. How you feel, man?
Good.
Feel good. We out here in nature. Got my little man out here. Yeah, we vibing.
This is beautiful, y'all. Nothing but nature. Come on, girl. Step in your step. Come on, Monty. You scream. We're about to get your face. That's a teenager for y'all. See, DJ, he don't mind screaming, do you, DJ? That's right. That's how we get it out here, y'all. Yeah, go ahead. Let me see. So we're going to go ahead. Let's get it.
I don't think I want to climb it.
Go ahead. They already climbed it.
Yeah, I don't think I want to.
I know I could do it.
I don't really want to do it. I don't think I can just be behind us. We can just be behind us.
Yeah, this man.
Yeah, if I'm behind y'all good.
We've done this several times. We actually, if you guys look, we came up. It's like a nice little height, man. We up high. So, zoom down up in there. Hold on. My camera keep falling. No, this is a nice little
Right here, that's in my house.
You gonna do it, babe? What's up?
Yeah, I am. I just wanna nah, cause I'm gonna leave y'all. Like once I get down, I can't get back up. So y'all gonna be stuck.
Good job, DJ. All right, he made it. Oh, almost. Yeah. What's up, y'all? Put your arms up. Y'all did it.
All right, babe. Come on, you gotta get down.
Ready? Hold on.
We in there fitness, baby. Show them what we about. Yeah, that's a nice little, yeah.
You might want to turn the other way, bro.
You got it.
Y'all turn the other way?
It's okay, this is it's raining. Come on.
Get in there, get in there.
Y'all, maybe we should go back.
It's our own rock climbing with no gear. Get some gear, y'all.
Nah, you got it.
Very, very dangerous.
It ain't dangerous. You got it. Come on. Let's get down there.
With the world shifting, you gotta know how to rock climb without no gear.
Rock climb with no gear in the rain.
Hell yeah.
No, it's time to go
Yeah,
home.
you got it.
Yeah, I don't think it's... Can we go back up?
You said it's time to go home now?
It's raining.
I made it.
Yeah, we out here.
Woo!
Get in there, get in
Let me
there.
stop for a fall.
Oh, shit.
Oh, be careful. It's very slippery. Y'all be real careful. I got a good shoe.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, don't push them up.
Look at them, man. They need to catch. Look at this, man. Catch up, y'all. What is y'all doing? Look at them. Look at them. Look. Made no sense.
Yeah, that's what we do. We out here, baby. Oh, the camera dirty. You're like, you gotta wet. Hold on, you gotta wipe it off.
Hold on.
Yeah, there you go. There we go.
It's raining, y'all. We gotta get back. Gotta get back. Oh, man. Come on, let's get it. Come on, let's get it. Come on, DJ.
So Melanated elevated. If you scared of some rain, you ain't gonna make it out here, man. This is beautiful.
Woo.
Water is the most beautiful element. It cleanses you. All these droughts going on around the world, man.
Man, this is beautiful.
When lockdowns come out,
You like, how you feel about that rain, DJ?
See, the kids, they don't appreciate it.
You don't understand. Money. You just don't understand. Look at that.
We made it out, y'all. In the rain. Melanated and elevated. Working out in the rain.
This is how we do.
This is how we do. Hiking.
Yeah.
Nature.
Man, ain't nothing more beautiful. This is how we do.
Come on, baby. There ain't no excuses, all right? This is where we at. Get out here. This is where it's at, period.
Yeah, nature workout, baby. Nature workout. This is how we do, man. Keep the circulation pumping. Right. Let's go, man. Top your feet. Get them chopping. All right? Now we're going to do about 3 or 4 exercises. And we're going to keep them going simultaneously. We're not going to stop. We're going to keep it moving. All right?
Let's get it.
So we're going to start with jumping jacks.
All right. On the rock. In nature.
Yeah, we do this for about 30 seconds. Yeah. Nothing like a workout in nature, baby. Yeah. Light work. Light work. Light work.
Woo!
Alright, take a break.
Okay, what's next?
Next, we're gonna do some jump squats. Yeah. Keep it going. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, keep it going. Come on. Yeah.